Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Alien Cosmetics Spooky Glam palette. And we're going to be kind of doing a Halloween look. And it's got a nice mirror in it, but yeah, I'm going to try to do a Halloween look, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I've already done my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in shade Deep Brown. And I use the ColourPop Creme Shadow in Laurel to prime my eyes. I put on a little bit of lip balm, the Fruit Fetish by Milani Pumpkin Spice Lip Balm. And now we're ready to rock and roll and put some eyeshadow on our eyes. Alright, I'm taking this shade. I think it's supposed to be Infected, but they accidentally put a T instead of an F, and it says Infected. I don't know, I don't think that's a word. But I'm going to use that shade in my crease as my transition shade. Alright, now I'm taking Creepy Cutie right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye. Alright, now I'm taking Tricks, and I'm going to put that in on the other half of my eye. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up any fallout I might have in my edges. I'm taking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. And I'm going to dot that on my face. And blend it in. I'm taking the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in Vanilla. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Blend that out with my multitasker brush. I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. Taking my number 7 powder in light, as usual. And I'm going to set my under eyes real quick. I'm taking the number 7 bronzer in Golden Sand. I'm going under my chin. I'm going down my neck. And I'm taking the Milani Baked Powder Blush in Sunrise Serenita. Alright, I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Seismic. This is from the That's Taupe collection. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones. Going over my brow. Over the other brow. Down the nose. Cupid's bow. And the chin. I'm taking Creepy Cutie again. And I'm gonna just go a third under my lash line. And I'm taking Tricks again, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lower lash line. And I'm going to take Seismic again. I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to hop off here real quick, take my Thrive Cosmetics mascara and throw it on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now for lips, I got in my Ipsy this House Labs Low Riot lip gloss and chaser. And I'm going to try that out. It's kind of a brownish color. We'll see how it goes. Sorry about that. That was our insurance company. I'm going to spray with the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist setting spray. Alright, well this is the final look, and using the Spooky Glam by Alien Cosmetics. This is a really pretty palette. I like the colors that I used, and I like that it has a lot of neutral shades that you can do a neutral look, or it has the oranges and the purples that you can do more of a Halloween look. So you can use it in different ways. But this is the same beautiful Alien Cosmetics formula that I've come to know and love. And I love the packaging. It's real pretty. It's got a mirror, a nice size mirror in it. And just beautiful shades, like I said. So I'm going to really enjoy this palette. And you can even use it past Halloween, like I said, to do more fall looks. You could do a Thanksgiving look with the oranges and the reds and all of that. So just because it says Spooky Glam doesn't mean you can't use it other times of the year as well. I'm excited to keep using this palette. The lip gloss is pretty good. It's a little thick, but it's comfortable. And I like the color. It's a neutral color you can wear with anything. Really pretty. So I like the lip gloss. And that's all the new stuff that I tried today. I really love my look. I think it's real Halloween-y and definitely festive. But if you like the look and you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, and taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.